Hey guys, it's Linda and I'm back again with another video. I am here to show you a fabulous Dollar Tree haul. So we are going to start with nails. Dollar Tree has some great press-ons. So I found these really pretty brown tone, neutral toned nails, and I'm really excited about these because the shape is totally my vibe. I love a good almond shape. Even when I do get my nails done, it's usually this shape. I also found these long clear coffin nails. It's giving like the polygel type nails, so I'm kind of excited. I may get myself a little UV lamp and the polygel to start doing little polygel nails myself. I don't know, but it is 100 piece. That's a pretty good deal for Dollar Tree, so I was like, cool, I'm not mad at it. And then I got this like salon type nail clipper, and it's like similar to the ones that they do at the nail shop when they cut down the nails, because this is too long. I can't work with this. So got myself a cool little pink nail clipper. They had purple and black. I think they had like a green, like a Tiffany's green type. So I got the pink one. Okay, this next item is super cute. I had been wanting something like this and I was like, ah. So this was not in the glassware section. This was actually with like the candles and the little decor items. But I'm gonna use this as a glass because it has like the look of like, you know, like a can, like a pop can of soda, whatever you guys want to call it. And I have seen people like on TikTok doing their like iced coffee with these cute glasses. And you see the color, it has like a nice little holographic, really cute look. So I don't know, I may use this as a drinking glass. I may use this as a cool like decor item to put little beads and my little makeup brushes. I don't know, but either way, this is really cute. And I only got one, but it's cute. It's cute, right? We can agree. Next, how cute is this picture frame? It's gold. It fits a 6x4. I love gold. Anything with gold accent is totally my vibe. And I just love a good picture frame. And it has like the little stand like this, so I can put it like on my coffee table or, you know, on an end table, on a shelf, whatever. And I just thought this was beautiful. Also going along with the decor gold kind of vibe that I love, I got these candlesticks. How cute are these? I was thinking, you know, like I really go all out for like Thanksgiving with my family and like setting a beautiful table. So I thought these would be perfect for my dinners. I got 2 of the tall and 2 of the small ones, 4 in total, so I can put them on my table. I don't know, I just really love how they look. And they have just like a very pretty, elegant type of look to them, which definitely something that looks like more expensive than what it is. This next item, again, got in like the little decor section. It's a little like cardboard drawer. And I got this for my daughter because she's just like her mommy. She has a very extensive jewelry collection, and she's been wanting a little place to put it away, and I didn't want to get her something that was going to be like breakable and fragile. So I thought this was a good little kind of jewelry box for her to put her necklaces and her little bracelets and her earrings. She has rings. So I just got this cute little, they had different designs, but she picked this one out. She loved the little gold accents and all the like pretty girly colors. Also for my daughter, I got some girly hair accessories because my daughter is the ultimate girly girl and she loves to accessorize, especially her hair. So we got this really pretty pink beaded headband. I don't know, it's just so cute, and it has like the beads are very pretty. They kind of have like a holographic type of look to them, and they just look really pretty, and the ends are like a white pearl. So she got these, and then she really loved these hair clips. They have little gummy bears on them, so these are the cute little hair accessories we got. Also for hair, I got this scalp massager. I used to have one of these, and I don't know what happened to it, but I really liked it for massaging your hair, and I like to do hair masks and stuff. So like it really working the product in. Look how big this one is, and it's not super harsh on the scalp, and it has a little, you know, kind of thing to grip it in between your fingers and get in there. So they had different colors. I got the pink. I think they had like a really pretty purple too. But yeah, this is the scalp massager. Next, they have a really cute selection of phone cases. So I saw this one and I was like, that is so cute. It has like a nice little pink rim to it, and little diamonds kind of design, and it's a clear phone case. I don't know, I thought it was cute, and it fits my phone. So I got it. They also had it in black, but I got the pink because I wanted something girly. Next, I found some beautiful, beautiful girly makeup brushes. So this one is an 8-piece set, and look at the size. It's nice and compact and like travel size, and it comes with a little pouch, and it's pink. They had a blue too, but these looked so nice, and they're so soft. They're a very nice, soft, and good quality. So I'm actually really impressed to find an 8-piece brush set at Dollar Tree. Like you got eye brushes, face brushes, a blending brush. Like this is a really nice travel sized brush set. Definitely would be cool for going on vacation and putting it in a little travel bag. The next set is so cute. Look at these rose gold brushes. They are by the brand Sassy+Chic, and they are so soft. They have such a nice quality synthetic feel. This one really caught my eye because it definitely feels like it'd be great for like a nose contour or like setting the under eyes because it's so dense. Like you can do a lot with this. So I really liked it. And this one is nice and thin for, you know, carving out your eyebrows, concealer. Again, you can even do under eyes, the lid. I don't know. It's just really nice. And then this one is a really nice, dense, small brush, really good for packing in color in the crease. They're just so pretty, and they're like rose gold. I love this vibe. Look how pretty they are. Next in makeup, I found these really pretty mini lip stains. How cute. I love a good lip oil lip stain. And the fact that you get two and they're really nice and travel size. I carry a lot of lip products on me, like in my makeup bag when I'm at work. So I thought that these would be really, really pretty. This one's more like an orange, and this one's more like a bright red. But I love the idea of like just, oh yeah, they're like a lip oil, and look, it's just gonna be a nice little flush to stain your lips, and then the color is just gonna dry into your lips, and you're just gonna have a nice little natural, you know, hint of color on your lips. Oh, look at it, it dried. Look at that, is so pretty. I feel like that would be a nice little cheek stain too for like a no makeup, clean makeup look. And it's not sticky. Oh, that's so pretty. That's the red one. And then this is like the like more orangey type. A little bit really goes a long way too. Like it's really pretty. They kind of look similar. Actually, this one looks a little more pink than that one. But I am really excited to use these. So cute. I mean, yeah, they are a little small, but I really wanted to try them. All right, so that's it for today's Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love finding cute little girly things at Dollar Tree. It just makes me feel like I'm having myself a little shopping spree and didn't have to spend so much. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what your favorite item was. If any of the stuff I got is stuff that you got for yourself as well, or stuff that you want to find for yourself. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell icon if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video. I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!